Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about root vegetables name in English. Potato, potato, beetroot, beetroot, parsnip, parsnip, turnip, turnip, rutabaga, rutabaga, carrot, carrot, jicama, jicama, maca, maca, celery, celery, elephant yam, elephant yam, yucca, yucca, radish, radish, sweet potato, sweet potato, onion, onion, turmeric, turmeric, kohlrabi, kohlrabi, celery root, celery root, horseradish, horseradish, water chestnut, water chestnut, black salsify, black salsify, ginger, ginger, garlic, garlic, lotus root, lotus root, arrowroot, arrowroot, taro root, taro root, yam, yam, shallot, shallot, fennel, fennel, ginseng, ginseng. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.